So I've recently been looking at cruises in 2024. We've got a particularly special birthday coming up and I've succumbed to one. But whilst looking at those, I've come across a deal for 2023 that I've really got to share with you. Absolutely cracking value, like the one I brought to you back in November. It's MSC Virtuosa and it is a round trip, but it's 21 nights. So if you've only been on a 7-night, 10-night, or 14-night cruise, this might be something a little bit different for you. Now, it's Southampton to Southampton, but listen to some of these destinations. So Hamburg, onto Bruges, Rotterdam and Le Havre, Lisbon, Cadiz, Casablanca in Morocco, onto Funchal, Santa Cruz in Tenerife, Palmas, Lanzarote, La Coruna in Spain, and then back to Southampton. 21-night round trip, absolutely fantastic value. So an inside cabin at the moment is less than £1,200. That's some absolutely amazing value, but it's MSC, so there's 3 top tips that I want to share with you. Number 1 is that price doesn't include a drinks package, and MSC drinks are slightly higher than some other cruise lines. If you don't have a drinks package, you'll also pay 15% gratuity on every drink. So you've really got to factor that in to the overall cost. The second thing is you're not supposed to bring food and alcohol on board an MSC cruise. Now that's MSC policy. I can't say I've ever had an issue, but just bear that in mind. If you do try and take food or drink on board, you might be stopped. And third of all, some people wouldn't think about this, but it's 21 nights. So unless you're going to pack the kitchen sink, you're going to need some clean clothes at some point. And unlike other cruise lines, MSC does not provide its guests with free laundry facilities. So you're going to need to factor in some money for laundry as well. 21 nights, £1,199, goes on the 6th of January. I'm going to put the link below to Seascanner for that cruise. But if any of you do it, I'd be really interested. 21 nights, absolute banger.